હાય ગુજરાતી મિડ ડે બહુ ખુશ છે કે અમે આજે તમારી સાથે बात कर રહ્યા છે. थैंक यू प्रतीक एंड थैंक यू ऐन्द्रिता. हम गुजरातियों के लिए भवाई एक मतलब हमको पता ही होता है कि हाँ भवाई क्या है. आपने जब ये शब्द सुना तो व्हाट वाज द फर्स्ट रिस्पॉन्स?
Well, I didn't know the word, obviously, and I was wondering for a long time what it meant until one of Pratik's interviews, and I realized the intensity of the word because it has two meaning. One is chaos, obviously, and another theatrical. I mean, when you go on theater and perform. So I think it's a beautiful word with a beautiful meaning, but unfortunately, I don't think in Hindi doesn't mean anything in Hindi. I'm asking you the question back. No. So a lot of people have been asking me that question though.
Apart from Gujarati, it has no other meaning in the language.
Yeah. પ્રતીક ગાંધી એટલે ડાયો છોકરો. હું જેટલા વર્ષોથી ઓળખું છું એટલા વખતથી ડાયો છોકરો, ગુડ બોય. અને બને ત્યાં સુધી વિવાદોથી દૂર રહેવાનું. જે પણ થયું થોડું ઘણું નાનું મોટું, how did you handle it?
I think I didn't react to it. The only thing, I guess, the only way is not to react because no reaction is also a reaction. Though.
Exactly.
But yeah, but આમાં એવું છે કે હું જવાબ આપું પણ કોને?
True.
Whom do I answer? કોઈ સામે આવીને પૂછે, then I can talk to them if somebody asks me. But it was nobody asking me. They have made up their mind and there are some set of people or maybe robots or bots or computers. They were just mere some IDs of some social media. So I could not understand that how to react to it and whom to answer. Because सामने अगर कोई आता तो मैं शायद समझा देता, बात कर लेता, उनको बता भी पाता. इसमें तो ऐसा है कि the more you talk, the more they want to twist it. And that's what even happened. After few interviews, they even started twisting the sentences that we said. I said that changing the name will not affect the film because film has nothing to do with Ram and Ravan. It is a love story. Now this sentence was also twisted in one of the posts. So it is very difficult to react. And frankly speaking, it is my first ever experience of something like this.
That's why I was keen on knowing. So,
yeah. And I don't come from any family background which has ever, experience something like that. हम तो यार टीचर के घर के लोग हैं. टीचर तो वैसे ही कान पकड़ के समझा देते हैं कि ऐसा है, ऐसा नहीं है. तो ज्यादातर हमारे घर में तो ऐसा था कि किसी भी चीज पे, किसी भी टॉपिक पे आप बात करो, जानो, समझो. And we come from a different background. हुआ ये कि ये सब जब किया, जिसने भी लोगों ने किया, जिनको सो घर पे टेंशन हो गई, लोगों को थोड़ा कंसर्न आ गया घर पे. Like my mom was concerned, my uncles back home in village and all, they were concerned कि क्या हो रहा है. I was not even home, I was shooting somewhere else. So yeah, वो थोड़ा होता है, but I guess we all are learning something new कि अभी यही इसी टाइम में रहना है और इसी तरह इसी बीच में जीना भी सीखना पड़ेगा. So yeah, it's a learning experience.
Yeah. और ऐन्द्रिता, मैं आपसे एक सवाल करूं कि जब ये फिल्म प्लान हुई है, इस पे काम शुरू हुआ, फिर उसके बीच में स्कैम किया प्रतीक ने और फिर बहुत कुछ बदल गया, तो व्हाट वाज वो केमिस्ट्री, वो कॉन्वर्सेशंस कैसे चेंज हुए? आपने क्या देखा अपने को स्टार में बदलते हुए, या
Chemistry तो जब when we're shooting तभी होते, that's the only time we had a chemistry. So so that's the only time we had to have chemistry for the particular scenes. So obviously after that scam release, and very rarely like me and Pratik would probably, I think, on Insta or something text, and I was so happy for him because he's such a dedicated actor. And obviously I've seen his talent when we were shooting, and you can obviously make out he's from theater background, and so it was really thrilling to see Scam doing well and him achieving the level of success that he has today. And obviously, I think our film has benefited from that. There's no doubt about it. Today, if people are going to watch, everybody has Pratik in mind. So it's I'm super happy about something like that. Yeah. And for someone,
ऐन्द्रिता, we were talking to each other so many times on the phone. कब release करेंगे यार भवाई? कब रिलीज करेंगे अराउंड? We were talking about so our common discussion was this, कब रिलीज करेंगे?
And I always told Pratik, I think you've given hope to a lot of hardworking actors out there that you work hard. I told him that even the last conversation that we had, that you've given hope to a lot of hardworking, and it really says that the saying that hard work really pays, is he's a good example of that. Yeah.
जो डायरेक्टर हैं जो आज जुड़ नहीं पाए, हार्दिक और प्रतीक गुजराती में बहुत बातें करते थे और तुम्हें लेफ्ट आउट फील होता था, ऐसा हुआ? डांटते हो इन्हें, ये गुजराती लड़कों को हमें डांटना चाहिए?
No, but I'll tell you frankly, abhi jab when you spoke to him, I can understand. I can totally understand. And I think one thing that Bengalis and Gujaratis have in common is food, the love for food. और जब हम भुज में shoot कर रहे थे, it was like रोज like I mean Hardik though Hardik sir, he loves to eat, and every day there would be one new specialty and I would have to try it. तब आम का भी सीजन था, so आमरस से शुरू होके बहुत सारे अच्छे गुजराती डिशेस खाने को मिले. Yeah.
और मैं दोनों से एक सवाल करूंगी, ये जो पूरा प्रोसेस रहा, बीच में पेंडेमिक भी आया और बहुत कुछ अटका, चला नहीं चला, फिर से हुआ, आप दोनों की बेस्ट मेमोरी क्या है इस फिल्म से जुड़ने की? कोई भी एपिसोड, कुछ प्रतीक तो प्रैंकस्टर है नहीं, तो I know that for a fact.
You know that. Oh, so a lot of heroes. You would have heard this.
Or else you have to open some cards.
Actually, either say I'll get to know Pratik whether what other actresses think of you. But I used to call him boring on set. I'm like, "Arey, what? Come on." But we used to only talk about cinema. We used to only talk about ये scene कैसे improvise करे, ये scene कैसे अच्छे, how can we make it better? So he passed on that little bit of. I'm a very casual actor, so he passed on that level of dedication and seriousness to me.
प्रतीक, स्वामी प्रतीक गांधी, आप भी कुछ मेमोरीज शेयर कीजिए.
हमें तो बहुत मजा आया था, मतलब जितने वो स्टेज के सीक्वेंसेस हैं, जितने भी where we are on stage performing parts of Ramlila, where I am playing Ravan, तो वो रावण के जितने मोनोलॉग्स हैं, डायलॉग्स हैं, वो सारे बहुत मजेदार थे और मुझे बहुत मजा इसलिए आता था कि बहुत सारे ऐसे किरदार मैंने स्टेज पे किए हैं, तो आई वाज रीलिविंग दोज मोमेंट्स, यार हाँ ऐसा तो किया था कुछ, हमने भी ऐसे प्ले में किया. The best part is that entire Ramlila, which is shot in the film, most of it is shot during the night time. Because evening में ही जनरली कहीं पर भी अगर रामलीला होती है तो इवनिंग टाइम से शुरू होती है. So जिस गांव में हम शूट कर रहे थे, वहाँ की स्कूल में हमने पूरा सेट तैयार किया था स्टेज के साथ, और उसी गांव के लोग आते थे, वही ऑडियंस थी, वही बैठते थे, रामलीला की ऑडियंस वही लोग थे और वो देखते थे. तो मजा ये आता था कि नाटक की तरह हमारे सीन पर तभी रिएक्शन मिलते थे हमको
लाइव.
तो पहले टेक में उनके रिएक्शन मिल जाते थे, और फिर इसमें तो मल्टीपल टेक्स लगते हैं, तो धीरे धीरे उनके रिएक्शन डाई डाउन होते जाते हैं. क्या आप एक ही लाइन पे कितनी बार ताली बजाएंगे, एक ही लाइन पे कितनी बार हंसेंगे? बिकॉज दे आर रियल पीपल, they have I guess visited any set for the first time in their life. और राम भगवान की एंट्री जब स्टेज पे होती है, जब हनुमान जी की एंट्री जब स्टेज पे होती है, तो पूरा गांव आरती उतार रहा है और ऐसे सीक्वेंसेस है फिल्म में. तो यही लोग आरती भी कर रहे हैं रात को 2-2:30 बजे, उनको नींद से उठा के हम सीन शूट कर रहे हैं.
जब हम प्रोसेशन में निकले, there was a scene you were not there in that, Pratik, or like as Sita, Ram and Lakshman were like going on the procession. Actually, the public, they were doing like pranam to me. I was like, oh God, what's happening?
Yeah.
They were very innocent people.
And as you said that this is a love story, and every love story has love, obviously, and has conflicts. What is so unique about this love story? Why do you think people should watch this?
So there are lots and lots of things. एक तो ऐसा है कि if you are cinema lover, then you will have a cinematic experience for sure. Watching something of this grandeur on screen will be fun. The music of it, which is already there on all the music platforms. Yeah. So I guess जिसने भी सुना होगा they'll be able to relate, because music is very melodious. It has that fresh feel. बहुत important चीज ये है कि it is talking about the backstage life of actors. So the way we see them and the way their life is very different. And that's what the film talks about. कि जैसे दो एक्टर्स ऐसे हैं जो कि स्टेज पे कुछ और एक किरदार करते हैं, पर क्योंकि उनके किरदार की वजह से लोग अलग तरह से देखने लगते हैं, and then chaos happens in the life is the story. So I guess अभी जिस समय में हम लोग रह रहे हैं, जो कुछ भी हमारे आसपास हो रहा है ना, उसकी कुछ झलक आपको देखने मिलेगी.
I think there's I don't know, I've seen when I was shooting for it, I didn't realize. I've done my bit, Pratik's done his bit, but when I've been seeing the song Ishq Katuri and another song, I just feel a sense of innocence that comes out through the songs, and I feel it's a beautiful love story between two very innocent people who have no motive in life, who fall in love with each other, and they undergo a lot of difficulties. But it's just that very pure, innocent love story. But it's very pure, which I feel hasn't been shown in a lot of movies in the recent times. But very innocent, pure love story. Yeah.
So प्रतीक ने थोड़ी बहुत गुजराती बोलनी आपको सिखाई. Are there some words that you have picked up?
I mean, the most common thing that we all everybody I think knows is "Kem cho, maja macho." That's one thing.
आपने कुछ बंगाली
But प्रतीक ने कुछ नहीं सिखाई.
बंगाली तो मैंने भी थोड़ी बहुत सीखी है. ऐसे इंद्रिता ने कुछ नहीं सिखाया है, पर वैसे मैंने सीखा है थोड़ा बहुत.
Okay. So I want Indrita to ask one question to Pratik, which she always wanted to ask, but she thought that Dayo Chokro, let me not ask. And one question that Pratik wants to ask her.
Did you like shooting with me?
You wanted to ask this question to me?
I don't know. I don't have any other question in mind.
I enjoyed shooting with you, Indrita. I thoroughly enjoyed it.
Okay.
And all the madness that happened there during the shoot, everything.
Okay. Did you face any difficulties while acting any scenes with me? Because initially I had issues with Hindi. So but during the shoot, did you face any issues, any problem?
Not at all. Not at all. In fact, I'll tell you, Chirantana, that Indrita, when she came, we did this one look test kind of a shoot, together, a mock shoot of one scene which is there in the film, which is there in the trailer also. And that was our test together. That how does it look together and how does it feel? अब मैंने सुना इनकी हिंदी को पहली बार, and I was shocked. I said, and I spoke to Hardik, Hardik, बाकी सब ठीक है, but हिंदी का क्या करेंगे? Because film तो हिंदी में है. And she is an actor in the film, जो के सालों से रामायण और अलग अलग टाइप की कहानियों का नाटक करती है. तो इनको तो हिंदी यार कैसी होनी पड़ेगी. But I guess Hardik also had that faith. I just had the genuine question कि कैसे होगा. But Indrita picked up in just 2 weeks of workshops. So whatever dialogues that you'll hear in the film, I guess nobody will be able to make out that. Yeah, nobody will be able to make out that Indrita had to put that extra effort to learn fluently.
Yeah.
Because she's Bengali, she's worked
yeah.
most of the time. She's worked in Kannada films, so yeah.
Or I have the Bengali accent, I have the South accent. Kya, like even I didn't know I have so many issues with my Hindi. Though I've learned Hindi in school, through this film I understood all the flaws. And you know who has trained me? Hemant Kher. He has played his in Scam. So yeah, he trained me most of the
Hemant Kher was our coach on the film. What can I ask her? I keep asking her this question and I'll ask her again that why do you think I'm boring?
That you need to ask yourself.
See, now this is the answer that she gives me.
No, I'm sure you're not boring anymore.
Not boring anymore. Okay, that's an interesting answer.
Getting a discount.
But no, I mean, that's just a joke. I mean, I'm just so always full of life and I just need excitement all around me. So I used to expect that out of Pratik, but he's a very serious guy in general.
I am generally super excited.
Yeah.
It is just that your excitement was so high that I was just trying to absorb it.
So
I was giving you some space.
So like most of my friends, they can't keep up to my energy. I'm like always like, yeah.
So if you are Indrita's friend, you're boring.
Clever.
इतने अलग हो एक दूसरे से. I would ask that as co-actors, what are the things that you learned from each other, very subtly by observing each other, by working together? What are the things that you picked up from each other?
I would like to answer this because I remember this very clearly. On stage, I was having difficulty. So I have this issue where monitor pe I give a damn good shot. The moment it is a take, I have a little some tweak happens in my brain and I go a little conscious like, acha ye take hai, I have to do it right, and kuch na kuch ho jata hai. So he used to give me these tips on while shooting. I remember that very clearly. On stage, you gave me a tip about how to control that thought and stuff like that.
Mm.
So I would say that's one thing I learned, and also that if you have to slap the actor, slap them for real. जैसे
उनसे पड़ी प्रतीक
हाँ
3-4 थप्पड़ मारे इन्होंने एक
Twice.
सीन के लिए,
from me twice.
ओके
which is there, no? I guess trailer में तो देखा होगा आपने एक थप्पड़ जो पड़ता है इसको.
यस
But that was
अच्छा,
for
फिल्मों
real.
में, yeah, that was real.
We gave that shot in a take or two. We didn't have to repeat it. It was a good take, yeah.
And what did you learn, Prateek?
So
When-
I've learned that if somebody asks you to hit hard, you still hit, but softly. Is what she did. मतलब थप्पड़ मारने के बाद वो ऐसे थी, और मैंने रुक जा.
वही लग गया
लगा नहीं, she was scared कि अरे बहुत जोर से लगी होगी.
Oh,
I
okay.
thought, I was like, I've never.
No,
It
but
was a
she
good
is really full of life, full of energy. So I mean, keeping up that energy in the environment, because she was shooting her first Hindi film with us. Apart from that, maximum of a crew, I mean, everybody apart from her was either talking in Hindi or in Gujarati. So in that environment also, that you know, keep yourself focused, be there and do it. It's not easy, but I mean, she
And it
pulled
was
it off.
it was one schedule.
Yeah, it was one
Right?
single schedule. So you were
Yeah.
away from the whole world, just there, do it. I'm sure everybody works like that. But
Yeah.
in that entire situation, you keep up your focus and then work accordingly, and still create a character. It's not easy. So,
Thank you. Coming from you.
Chirantana, कुछ भी मतलब अब.
ऐसे ही मिलोगे ना अब तो आप क्या करें Dayo Chukro, as I say. It
So
was-
Chirantana has done this in all her interviews with me.
Acha.
What have I
Yeah.
done? What have I
It's the
done?
same thing. Dayo Chokro, Dayo Chokro.
નથી Dayo Chukro છે જ ને.
See,
You have any Gujarati movie releases coming up?
no, not now. It will take a while now.
It was lovely talking to both of you. All the best. Absolutely looking forward to Bhavai.
Thank
you.
you.
And I hope you and all your readers and viewers will watch the film, and then it'll clear a lot of things for them.
Next time મારે તને ડાયો છોકરો ન કહેવું પડે એવું કઈ તોફાન કરજે. What else?
Le bolo. मतलब.
Lovely.
Whatever she said, आपके मुंह में घी चक्कर.
Oh my
Yeah.
God.
Okay, cool. Got it.